reversible cycle, but a practical no one process are reversible. Simply, in our universe, no any process are available that time is the reversible process. Just one imagine is that process, yeah, suction, compression, expansion, and last one our exhaust. All four process imagine only for that process are reversible process in the corner cycle, because of when the motion in our piston, our cylinder, in, in cylinder and piston between our friction occur. Due to friction, our reversibility are destroyed that time. Because of friction between cylinder and piston, that is not avoidable. Just only during the analysis of the efficiency of Carnot cycle take a negligible, but in practical that is the not avoidable. So our Carnot cycle first reversible property is a not a desirable, not a practical, not a practical, due to our Carnot cycle are failure. So no any. So no any process are available for reversible cycle. In second point is that in this cycle say that the isothermal process, heat addition and heat rejection, but at constant temperature is impossible. Because why? I am saying that is the isothermal process. Isothermal process means the temperature constant. Isothermal process means the temperature constant. He says that the at the isothermal temperature, मतलब heat addition and heat rejection process are occur. But you know, isothermal process say that that time our temperature constant. Suppose our heat addition process is between suppose 1 to 2 process. Imagine this, our heat transfer between 1 to 2 process means the temperature of the inlet and temperature of outlet are same. You know heat formula Q बराबर mc into T1 minus T2. When T1 बराबर T2, that means Q is 0, means the no heat addition and no heat removal. So no heat addition, no heat rejection, that means no heat. When heat is not added, not exhaust, means the burning our side in our cylinder, our fuel not a burn, not a heat or exhaust. When heat addition is not possible, then how can imagine this कि our cycle is run when heat is not added? He according to Carnot cycle, that cycle say that the not heat addition, without no heat input, due to how can you obtain the output. So here that process is the impossible, because of according to isothermal process he said that no heat addition, no heat rejection. But in actual, in practical, you see, I am discuss in working of the internal combustion engine is the necessary to heat addition and heat exhaust. So the isothermal process is the our second drawback of our Carnot cycle. Third is the isothermal process, very slow, and other one is the isentropic process is very fast. Both in a cycle is impossible. Simply, according to Corner cycle, no heat addition, re- no heat addition, no heat rejection. That is the possible when temperature are very slow increase or very slow decrease. Mean take a 10 to 10 to 14 days during the heat addition and 10 to 40 days heat rejection. He said that the our isothermal process is the very slow, and second one isentropic process, compression and expansion, both processes are very fast. One is the very slow, one process is the very fast. In a single cycle, how can this is possible? Due to our third pointer, also our corner cycle is not a practical possible. That cycle is one imaginary cycle. Due to avoid the corner cycle, due to avoid this imaginary to study actual cycle, our first cycle introduced by Otto cycle. Here are in this cycle only one change, that isothermal process, heat addition and heat rejection are changed by constant volume heat addition and constant volume heat addition, constant volume heat rejection process. And same as isentropic compression, isentropic expansion. Isentropic process are same as, only change by because of the that main problem is the heat addition and heat exhaust in our internal combustion engine. But our corner cycle, these two phenomena are eliminated. But in our Otto cycle, and Otto cycle is